government was unmoved. Today, suddenly, the government wakes up and says, we have decided to withdraw the laws. Only 3 weeks ago, the Prime Minister, in a speech in Uttar Pradesh, said, anybody who opposes the farm laws is anti-national. They are speaking for big farmers against small farmers. They're anti-farmer, and we will never withdraw the farm laws. What has happened today? What has happened is they have feedback that they will lose very badly in the next round of elections in 5 states, including Goa. It is the fear of losing elections which has impelled the Prime Minister to suddenly announce at 9 o'clock this morning that he has decided to withdraw the farm laws. Remember, about 3 weeks ago, when the by-election results came and the BJP suffered a massive defeat in Himachal Pradesh and lost badly in several other seats, including Karnataka and Rajasthan. The results, official results, came in the morning of the day, and by 3 o'clock, they announced the reduction of prices of petrol and diesel. This is the pattern of this government. It does not believe in consultation. It does not believe in discussion. It does not believe in parliamentary debate. You will remember that the last parliament session was washed out because it refused to debate the farm laws, refused to debate Pegasus. They didn't call the farmers to any meaningful talks. And when the farmers came, they told them, we have nothing to offer. You make an offer. That kind of a stubborn government today has announced the withdrawal of farm laws means that they know they are losing the next round of elections. This is a lesson for the people. This government does not fear democracy. This government does not fear parliament. It only fears a loss in elections. So if we want this government to mend its ways, the best thing that the people of India can do is to defeat it in every election. And I hope the people of Goa, as well as the people of the other 4 states, will deal a massive defeat to the BJP in the next round of elections in early February. Questions, any? Otherwise, we can stop. You want to say it in Konkani? Say it.
सर, राकेश टिकैत ने एक बात बताई है कि अगर ये तीनों लॉ पीछे ले लिया है पर आंदोलन चलता रहेगा, इसके ऊपर कांग्रेस की क्या राय है?
I've seen the statement. He has said there are other issues that are pending. Firstly, there must be a remunerative price and a guarantee for MSP. So there are other issues pending. We hope, the Congress hopes that the government will have better sense today and call the farmers to discuss the other issues.
सर, आने वाले जो अधिवेशन है इसमें ये रिटर्न लिया जाएगा, पर इसके ऊपर अगर कुछ बदलाव आ जाएगा तो आप कांग्रेस कैसे उसको बिहेव करेगी, कैसे उसको सपोर्ट करेगी या उसके साथ कैसा बर्ताव करेगी?
What is he saying?
Saying if they don't repeal this law in the parliament.
He has announced it, so they will repeal. If they don't repeal, we will not be surprised. It will only expose them further. But now that the Prime Minister has announced it, I'm sure they will bring a bill to repeal the laws.
So do you think this bill is only the stunt for the elections?
It is only for elections. If there were no elections in February or March or April or May, they will not repeal these laws. Because the elections are about 60 days away, they've announced this repeal. There's no other reason at all. Even 3 weeks ago, just take that speech, he castigated the opposition, castigated the farmers. And remember what happened in Lakhimpur Kheri. He has not yet condemned the Lakhimpur Kheri murder farmers by having a SUV run over them.
Will this help BJP now, or the damage is irreparable?
I hope the damage is irreparable. I hope the people have learned the lesson that the only way to make the government change its wrong ways is to defeat it in election. If they vote the BJP back, the BJP will become only arrogant again. The only way to keep this government under law, under parliament, and behave responsibly is to deal defeat after defeat in every election.
Since Goa is also going for elections, can this also have an impact in Goa elections?
I said so. I said it will have an impact in Goa, and I'm sure the people of Goa will realize that the only way you can mend this government is to defeat it. In Goa, of course, we have a great opportunity to change the government. You don't have to defeat this policy or that policy. You can defeat the BJP once and for all. Therefore, I hope the people of Goa will realize and vote accordingly that the only way to make the BJP mend its ways is to deliver a defeat at every election.
सर कैसे दिख रहे हो प्रियंका गांधी यूपी में इतने रैली निकल रहे हैं, उसके बाद आगे इलेक्शंस हो रहा है, इसीलिए सरकार ने ये फैसला लिया है, ऐलान किया है कि पीछे लेने का?
Saying Priyanka Gandhi is aggressively campaigning in
Priyanka
UP.
Ji is the General Secretary of the Congress and she is in charge of UP. Elections are 60 days away. It's natural that she will campaign aggressively.
So is that the reason they're asking in the fear for in the UP?
Well, it may be one of the reasons, but the real reason is they've got feedback they will lose the elections. In UP, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Goa, they will lose the elections.
Joint Kashmir में बैठा
What's it?
They're asking me how this is going to affect Goa elections.
As I said, you say it in
Okay.
Konkani.
इतले ते BJPक the power of democracy जो आसा was they were underestimated. गोंयांकूय तेणी भूमिपुत्र बिल हाडलें आनी आख्ख्या लोकांनी ताका विरोध केलो. तेजे नंतर तेणी सांगलें की आमी ते ड्रॉप करता. तेजे नंतर कांयच हालचाली थंय जालें ना आनी तें बिल तेणी गव्हर्नराक धाडलें. सो गोंयांक लोकांक कळयलें आसा की बीजेपीचो जो कारभार आसा जुमला कारभार आसा आनी ते फक्त सगळ्यो गजाली इलेक्शनाच्या नजरेन पळयतात आनी हें जें कितें केलें तेणी आख्ख्या देशाच्या लोकांनी पळयल्या जवळ जवळ 600 सुमार 600-700 फार्मर्स कशे मेले ते ह्या आंदोलनान. सो इतलो प्रोटेस्ट तेंगे चालू आसतनाय की आख्ख्या देशभराचे शेतकरी तेंगे जॉइन जाल्ले आशिल्ले. आमी प्रोटेस्ट हांगा कितलेशेच प्रोटेस्ट केले फार्मराचे हाका ब्लॅक लॉज खातीर, पूण तरी आसतना ते हें करनासतना फक्त इलेक्शनां भिवन ते रिपील करता. डेफिनेटली एज अ मेसेज जी आसा की हिमाचल प्रदेशा खातीर पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्साचे प्रायस कमी जातात आनी ह्या 5 राज्याचे इलेक्शनां पयलीं जे एडमंट आशिल्लो गव्हर्मेंट तो एडमंट गव्हर्मेंट हे इलेक्शनाक भिवन हे कायदे फाटी घेता.
Let me add to that. There are very, very burning issues in Goa. The linear projects, the coal hub, the Bhumiputra bill, mining, these are major issues. This government, BJP government, will not mend its ways because they are run by a dictatorial approach. They will not mend their ways. The only way we can solve these problems is to defeat them in the election. Once we defeat them, then they will behave for 5 years. But otherwise, they will get more arrogant, more determined, more haughty, and more undemocratic. So this is a great opportunity for the people of Goa to defeat the BJP so that all these problems can be solved by the next government.
Sir, I have one page of New York Times of September 26th this year. They have mentioned Modi as Hitler of India. What do you like to comment on this?
Well, Modi is Modi. He behaves like a dictator in the garb of a democrat. Hitler behaved like a dictator in the garb of a dictator. The only difference is Modi is a dictator in the garb of a democrat.
Local का issue raise के लो human resource cooperation. का
Don't
withdraw
do
करा.
any other subject. Next.
Yeah, so ITA press conference exclusively.
Only on the farm laws.
Farm
So
laws.
we can meet again
Viral
tomorrow.
video आज 7 दिनों से तेरे तुम reply कर.
Tomorrow.
तुमसे
So
दो video
today,
करते हैं.
the PMC MP.
What?
Today the PMC MP.
Who?
PMC MP Mohan Moitra.
Ah.
She said, she spoke saying BJP being the anti-BJP. But when we asked what about Congress to them, she said that the Congress has to answer on it. What if they are to BJP?
There's no answer. There's no need to give an answer. We are doing our job. We are the largest party in Goa. We believe the enemy that has to be defeated is the BJP. And we believe that the Congress is competent and fully prepared to defeat the BJP. Thank you.
Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं मानक गुप्ता। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें और हां, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें ताकि आप देश और दुनिया की कोई खबर मिस ना करें। तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए न्यूज़ 24।